Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Today we're heading out to Pennsylvania to Race Motive's roll racing event in Pennsylvania. So today we'll meet up with Pat. You guys will meet my boy Vaughn. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for any time we post. I appreciate the love and support so far. We're on the road to 1,000 subscribers. So share the content with a friend. Comment down below videos you would like to see, and we'll try to make it happen. All right. So see you in a bit when we reach there.
Turn right on Long Pond Road.
We just got here.
Be out there like after morning.
So guys, we finally reached Race Motive, and boy, there's mad cars out here.
Is that enough meat for you?
Say it again?
Is that enough meat for you?
That's what you do. That's just crazy. Facts.
Huh?
What do you expect today?
What do I expect?
Yeah.
Honestly, I don't even know. I'm just coming here just to be surprised. But I see a lot. I see a lot. I like a lot.
Nah, facts. The shows like this, racing scenes like this, just provides mad inspiration for real. So it's crazy, man. Nah, these cars is crazy.
So I gotta go with them.
You know how I feel about purple too. Son. That's right, different. To be honest, if I had these 3 cars in my garage, I'd be satisfied. Sheesh. I like that blue on that. That's 2K. If I could find a good one for like 12K, I'd buy it.
Find one, bro. Definitely. But I mean, think about all these cars. You never know where they came from. They probably was a little, beat up, a little battered.
Probably most of these cars, if you like, you can say you go on Facebook Marketplace or something. Like they be from Florida.
Oh,
I'm like,
I'm honestly gonna try to import in the next couple of years.
I'm definitely importing in 2 years. I'm gonna get my S15, come hell or high water.
I saw this dude on Instagram. He imported some car. I can't remember what it was. He tells us how to go about doing it. And he didn't pay that much for his car.
Nah, this is a nice car. I like this photo though.
Total, you paying like 10 to 15 grand to import. And you still get a little more, so you're still getting a brand new car, 30,000 on it.
Yeah, because the S15 I'm looking at, I think it costs like 33. But for Nissan S15 Silvia.
How much mileage?
Well, they're in kilometers in Japan.
Yeah.
But look, I could pull it up on my phone, but I seen it. It's like one other person. Like, I guess when you do an inquiry about it, it'll show you how many people are inquiring about it. So you're not blindsided to be like, I delivered money and stuff like that.
And it's six, I'll take it.
Something all up in the. And I forgot the filters.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, I didn't bring it today. Deontay ain't give it to me. Pause. So, me and Pat been hungry for mad long, and we're surrounded by millions of dollars of cars, and the only thing this man is concerned about is where's the food. They lied about the food.
They lied, bro. I'm starving. Yesterday, bro.
Yo, look, yo, all these cars, and all he's worried about is where the food at.
Bro, if I eat, I can enjoy the cars.
Nah, man, the sound of the exhaust should fill you up, bro.
With more gas.
Alright, so update. The right lane for the road racing, the speedometer or whatever, wasn't catching the speeds. So they had everyone go back to their pits and whatnot. So me and Pat decided to get food at the cafeteria. And this is what we got. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we got chicken fingers and fries. You know, when you got these type of events, you know, it's the safest thing to get. We got a burger. Not sure if I like it though. It's disturbing. Barbecue sauce and honey mustard.
What was that? On the side?
It was right before the. It's not right there. It was right before you turn the corner to pay. After you paid, it's right there. Yeah, so hopefully this food's good, and I'll let you know. Look who it is.
What's good? What's good, everybody? What's good, baby?
It's good.
Fab.
Ready? Civic knows, you know it's nasty. Yes, sir, man.
Get those frog legs.
Bro, we all can't get Supras.
Bro, no, we can't all get Supras. I feel like it only makes sense if we.
The only car you can do that is with M's. That's it.
That's what I was saying.
You can only get, everyone gets an M.
Either that shit or like a Porsche.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's certain cars. I mean, don't get me wrong. Supras would be fine, but for all of us to have one, I don't know. That's crazy.
Yeah.
But that's not a great idea still. Like, we gotta envision big. Hell yeah.
They had the right idea. They bring their own fucking food.
Not fast.
Bro, that shit was trash.
Wait, you said the food is trash?
The only thing was good was the chicken and
Chicken finger, chicken tender surprise, straight. You know, you can't go wrong with that.
I gotta try that.
Nah, this is squad goals.